Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open your browser and navigate to the Docker website for downloads. Choose Docker Desktop for Mac and select Apple Silicon or Intel depending on your processor. Click the Download button and wait for the DMG file to finish. When finished, double-click the DMG file to mount the installer. Drag the Docker icon into the Applications folder to install it. Open Docker from Applications to begin the initial setup and grant any required system permissions. Launch Docker from the Applications folder to run the first-time setup sequence. Approve the Mac OS prompt to install privileged helper tools required by Docker Desktop. If Mac OS asks for permission to access files, grant that access for volumes and dev tools. You may need to open system settings to allow kernel extensions or virtualization. Sign in with your Docker ID to sync settings or continue without an account to use local containers. Docker will finish. Open Terminal to verify Docker is working after the whale icon indicates readiness. Run the command, Docker run hello world to confirm your daemon responds correctly. To test a web container, run Docker pull nginx then Docker run dp 8080, 80 nginx to expose port 8080. Open http://localhost 8080 in your browser to see the nginx welcome page. If containers feel slow, open Docker Desktop Preferences and adjust CPU, memory, and disk size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.